So hey guys, I know this is a very different setup than what I normally do, but the sun is set and so I'm trying to figure out lighting and stuff, and yeah, I feel dead. I feel like I always feel dead when I film these, but I'm worried I'm getting sick. I hope it's just allergies, and I've just had a really long day. I just got out of an exam. Previous to that, I studied for like 4 hours while working, like while babysitting, and then I had class before that, and I'm just really tired and I'm not feeling good, and I still have more homework to do. But I'm filming a video on a Wednesday because I got my books, and I'm really nervous about it because I was nervous last time, but the last book I got was a cover that I had hoped to like when I opened it, but it wasn't my official cover, so if it was a little off, I wasn't too worried about it. This one is my real cover. It's totally different, so I don't know if I'll like it. I really hope it looks good because I'm publishing this on Saturday, and gosh, that's like 3-4 days away, and I am really nervous that it's not gonna look right. So yeah, all I can do is just go for it, because this is KDP now. So I ordered my last one technically through CreateSpace, but they'd switched over by the time I wanted to change my cover. So I had to do this one through KDP. Oh gosh, I don't even look at it. Okay. Okay. I'm not in love with it. First of all, I think it's really stupid that they have this. Really? It's not for resale. Because the last, so CreateSpace would just do like one page in the back, and that's how you know. They look a little marked up, actually. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on, oh, you can kind of see it. This one looks a little marked up there. This one looks a little like it's been touched or scraped on the side. They feel, yeah, there's definitely someone touched this or scraped it. Can you see that? No, it's like got some scrapes there. They feel good. They feel like the last one I got. They're less floaty, like flipped out than the last one I got. Sorry, I know my hands, my camera's sliding away. Oh gosh, this really is like the worst setup ever. But yeah, the back actually looks really good. Besides this, the font looks really clear, really nice. The spacing's right, barcode's right. If the barcode's right. I don't know why it looks like that. Anyways, I feel like the quality, like it looks clear. The image looks clear. My snake, this is for the black specifically. It also feels thicker than my other one, which I think is weird. The inside looks just fine. Oh, I got the actual chapter art, so hopefully that looks good too. I forgot about that. Okay, chapter art looks good. At least the first one just looks fine. Let's see. About also looks good. Also looks good. So we're set on the inside. It's just, yeah, it's just, I guess for me, I just don't love the cover as much as my other one. I mean, it's $2,000 cheaper than my other one, so understandable. I was a little worried about my title looking off, like it's floating, and it kind of does. But my cover designer just left for Hong Kong, so there's no fixing it. It's not that bad, but it does kind of, it'll just bug me a little for the rest of my life. That the Eden is kind of floating away. Grr. Okay, well, I'll just have to deal with that, I guess. I mean, it doesn't look like super obvious because the N comes down further. Another thing I'm kind of noticing, it could be just the font, but especially actually the black version, it doesn't, the wording, we used it was like an iPad artsy app thing on my cover designer's iPad, but it looks a little like an actual pen or marker wrote it, which I think is just the style, but I really noticed it on the white version. So like the black version doesn't look that, like it looks like maybe graphic design wanted to look like handwriting, and it doesn't look like that on the back at all. The back looks solid, and it looks less like it here. But when I look at my, oops, camera's moving again. When I look at my white version, it looks way more, you can't see it on here, way more pixelated. Like you can see the different marks. The white feels really good. I kind of didn't like know what to expect with a white matte cover, but I think that they're good. Yeah, I mean, it's more my thing. The inside looks good. I don't know what's up with the small scrapes. That kind of sucks. I just have to hope that that doesn't happen for anyone who buys it. I don't think it would. They probably just know these are proofs. This black version wrap cover is floating away more than the white, but it's not that bad. It's not that noticeable. Everything else looks good. This one actually has a spine. My last one didn't. The spine looks totally good. Alyssa Clay's kind of floating away on that one. Okay, well, it looks like I might have some reworking. Sorry, this keeps moving. I might have some reworking to do. Maybe not. The black looks different than the white, and I guess they're not exactly the same cover. Okay. So overall, I think it's okay. I liked my last cover more. I liked, I don't know if I like the quality more. I think it's just more my design I'm struggling with, more the change in design. I think that this one's quality's just the same, if not better. Those scuffs I don't understand, but I'm just gonna go with it and hope that when I order my regular ones, it won't be beat up at all or anything. And hopefully if I order more in bulk, they won't, it could be also just the shipping, like the package could have been beat or hit or something or dropped, and that could have to do with it. So if I ordered a bunch and it came in a box, they'd be less likely to be like beat up, because this one came in, you know, like just this little package. So yeah, those are my overall thoughts. I like my last cover more. I don't think this one looks horrible. It's more just me struggling with design and alignment issues. But the inside looks very good, and the matte's very nice. Yeah, my only pet peeves are those small scuffs and my own personal design. So KDP, I think it's okay. I also like that Prime, it's super easy to track your packaging. Like, it always is with any Amazon order. But with CreateSpace, I had to like log on, type my tracking number into USPS or whatever, find it, and then it wouldn't, I don't know, with Amazon it's easy. It's like, no, it's gonna be here like this date, and this is where it's been, and here's a photo of it when it arrives on your porch. So I like that about them. I hope that I can order my other ones with Prime. I wasn't sure if just because it was a proof I couldn't, or maybe later I would, but I'm not sure. I bet not. As an author, they wouldn't let you also get Prime, because that would mean my books are like really cheap for me. So yeah, those are my overall thoughts. I'm going to go do my homework so I can take a nap and probably have some coffee. But thank you for watching, and be sure to comment below on anything KDP CreateSpace experience wise, any advice or information you have. Again, I don't know that much I don't know what the differences were between the two companies, but if you have any information on that you would like to share with me, please do so, because I'm about to publish a book through them. So any information would be helpful, and advice would be awesome. So yeah, those are my overall thoughts. Thanks for watching, guys.